In this video, I'll walk you through how to add and assign phone numbers in Kixie. To begin, log into your Kixie dashboard at app.kixie.com. Once you're in, head over to Manage, Numbers, and then Kixie Numbers to get started. To add a new number, click the blue Add button located in the top right corner of the screen. You'll be prompted to choose where you'd like the number to be assigned. You can leave this set to None for now and assign it later. We'll cover that process shortly. Next, select the country for the number and decide whether you want the number to be enabled for texting. A quick note, if you plan to send SMS messages to US numbers, you'll need to complete the 10 DLC registration process. This step is required to get your brand and texting campaign approved. Without an approved 10 DLC campaign, you won't be able to send SMS messages. You also have the option to name the number, something memorable that reflects its purpose, which can help you stay organized. Then, enter the 3-digit area code you'd like the number to originate from and choose whether you want a local or toll-free number. If the number is intended for team texting, you can select a Team SMS rule, which determines the team that the number will be associated with. Click Search for available numbers. Browse through the list. Select your desired number, click Buy, and confirm your selection in the pop-up window. If you need to assign or reassign an existing number, start by clicking on the phone number in question. Use the drop-down to choose the type of destination. This could be an agent, a boost set, a conference line, an inbound ring group, an IVR, or an inbound queue. Once you've made that selection, another drop-down will appear, allowing you to choose the specific agent or entity, depending on what's applicable. You'll also have the option to assign a default user for the number. This setting determines whose CRM connection will be used to pull contact info and log missed calls. Keep in mind, this only applies if the number is assigned to anything other than an individual agent. If the number is assigned directly to an agent, any missed calls will always log to that agent regardless of the default user setting. Once you've made all your selections, click Save and you're all set. If you ever need to remove a number from your account, simply click the red trash can icon next to the number and confirm your choice in the pop-up window. The number will be removed from your bill starting with the next billing cycle. For additional information, be sure to check out the article linked below. And if you have any questions, click the question mark icon in the top right corner of your Kixie dashboard and select Chat with Support. Thanks for watching.